Hello everyone. It's great that there is no bar chord. My name is Akita. I am doing a guitar class for beginners. I want as many people as possible to know the joy of playing music. Today's lesson is Happy Birthday to You. Sing on a person's birthday. If you watch this video to the end, you will be able to play Happy Birthday to You on your guitar. Of course, practice is necessary. This channel converts difficult bar chords such as F and BM into simple chords. In addition, lesson videos are released by selecting songs with only simple chords. Please subscribe to the channel. VOC, the easy version to play when the red ball glows. Let's go. I don't use capo this time. Please use the capo to suit your key. From now on, I will check the code used in Happy Birthday to You.
G, D, C.
There are three. Next is streaming. Janjaka Jaka. Janjaka Jaka. This tune is in triple time.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3、ドゥンチャッチャドゥンチャッチャですから、ジャンジャカジャカジャンジャカジャカやってます。
Please check. Watch the cool version. Let's go. I gave a lesson on Happy Birthday to You today. If you can play Happy Birthday to You on the guitar, please show me on YouTube. The guitar class for beginners is enrolled by subscribing to the channel. I hope you can enjoy the guitar more. Thank you very much. Bye bye.